All right guys, we're out here and do a little off-roading like always. We got the new kit by Morflate. Got the 4 hoses, about to air down and then we'll air up later. Alright guys, we're at about 37 psi. We're gonna air down to about 25 maybe. Maybe 27. We're at 37. We'll bring it down to about 27, just 10 psi. You know what? We'll even do 28. Here we go. There you have it. We're all airing down. Almost there, guys. And it looks like we're there. There's a stop sound. We're at 28 now. So now, pull it down, close all the hoses, get everything off. That was the easiest air down I've ever done. Morflate system is perfect. Alright guys, thanks for checking this out. This is just a little clip of how easy it is to use this Morflate system. I'll be making some more videos in the future with it, since I'm going to be using it all the time now. Alright guys, peace out. Alright guys, we're here with the Morflate. I just did the little trail. We're about to air up real quick. Let's see. Set it to 35. There we go guys, we're at 35. That's what we wanted. This is about 35.9. This one says about 35, so that's gonna take a minute to go down. Let's settle. It's gonna be 35. So. Yep, 36, and then once I start driving, they'll settle in 35. It's pretty spot on guys, this Morflate, deflate and inflate system. This is it right here. This is what you need, guys. Anyways, this is a video on the Morflate air compressor more than anything, but gotta do the off-road part. So now we hit a little trail out here in the desert. Yeah guys, as always, please like, share, and subscribe the videos. Keep it going. All right, you guys have a great day. Peace.